flood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Hello, welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick, guys. Today I'm going to share with you guys real quick, very simple and professional ways to trade Euro USD and make a lot of money, guys. I am very sure of what I want to share with you guys here. So what you just need to do is just make sure you follow up and grab all the necessary information I want to share with you guys here. All right, because this is the easiest way for you to start making free cash after watching this video and make sure you implement whatever you learn here on your demo account. Practice it very well on your demo account to see how to take step on your real account. All right, so with that being said, guys, when you look at my chart right now, you will see as simple as how I marked the vital zones on my chart. All right, so what you just need to do, the simple strategy for you to be making profit trading Euro USD and other pairs, all right, and other currency pairs is this: whenever you want to analyze or you want to start trading any of the pairs, what you just need to do, or what you just need to be doing, is this: when you get to your, at least I said this often and on, if you want to start trading any pairs, make sure you analyze from higher time frame down to at least the time frame that you want to open that your position from. All right, so now when you look at my chart here, you will see that this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. All right, this is 4-hour time frame, and this is Euro UXD. All right, so now you will see different zones that I marked here on my chart. You will see different zones that are marked. You will see all this. So what you just need to do, you need to connect all the rejected zone on your chart, especially any time frame that you are analyzing. Just as I'm on 4-hour time frame right now, the first thing that I did was to connect this higher high and the higher low here, which you can see this spike here, and you see this here, the rejection there. So that is the first thing. That was the first thing that I did to connect from that zone to this zone, because already you can see the current market price here. You can see the current market. Then after doing that, I started plotting all these things that you are seeing here. All right, I started plotting all these zones that you are seeing. All right, when you look at your chart, you will definitely see sorry about that, guys. You will definitely see all these zones that I'm talking about here on your own chart. All right, how are you going to see that? You will see all the rejected zone that serves as support and resistance initially, or the supply and demand on your chart. You are going to see all that on your chart, and that is exactly what I did here. So after doing this, you'll be able to tell what the market has been doing on those zones. So now when you look at my chart here, you will see that each of the time, or each of the zone, that whenever the market gets to each of the zone, markets normally react to each of those zones. So that is to say, it is a very strong zones. All right, they are very strong zones. So once you are done on plotting your chart this way, the next thing that you are going to do is you wait patiently. That is when if you are trading currency, or if you are a trader, in fact, you need to try and exercise patience every time, because patience is part of the management of each thing that you are going to do here on trading. All right, so if you are trading, you have to learn how to be very patient. So you wait patiently for each of these things. Probably when you look at the current price, right, when you look at the current price, you can see where the current price is now. What I am actually waiting for right now for me to open a position is this, not on this 4-hour time frame anyway. All right, so but with what I have analyzed, what I'm waiting for is if this market, or if this current price moves to this particular line and closes above this line. All right, if it moves above this line and close there, and another kind of form above this line and retest on this line and start showing me a bullish, that is when I'm going to buy. All right, so now the current situation of the market right now, I cannot do anything. That does not mean that sorry guys, that does not mean that when I go to lower time frame I will not see opportunities to buy or sell here at this current market now, at this current zone, that I'm not going to see buy or sell when I go to lower time frame. I am going to see buy or sell, but based on I love trading on higher time frame, and once I get what I want on higher time frame, when I go to my lower time frame, it will be more easier for me to know the direction and have that confidence that if I open this trade here, I am going to allow this market to run, because already I've seen what I wanted to see here, whereby if the market closes above this particular place and another kind of form there and retest on that zone and start going up. So when I go to my lower time frame and realize something like this, that is when I will open my trade confidently, and then I am going to set my TP somewhere here or somewhere here. All right, because there was a rejection at this zone and there's another rejection at this zone, so I am going to set my TP at this zone. So once I confirm this here and I open that position, I have that confidence. I know where this market is heading to right now. So whatever the market is doing is not or is no longer my business, because I've already seen what I want to see. And as soon as I open this position in this zone, as soon as that market retests here and I open that position, my stop loss is going to be somewhere here. All right, my stop loss is going to be somewhere here, and by so doing, you make use of the best risk management that you can ever add or apply to your trading career. So you use it very well, and once you make use of proper risk management, that is when you are going to make a lot of money, because you will be fully have that confidence that okay, even if this market goes against me, I am not going to lose more than what I expected. All right, or what I can afford. I am not going to lose more than what I can afford. All right, so now by so doing, what you are just going to do is each of these zones, it might not meet your own chart this way, but each of these zones, after plotting the zones, each of the zones that you observe this way, make sure to follow the procedure. Make sure to follow what I just analyzed now for you to be able to trade and make money from it. All right, so if you are getting value from this lovely content, or if you are getting value from this awesome video that you are watching right now, I want you to do me that favor and smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also if you want me to be or you want to be getting notified whenever I share awesome videos like this, also turn on your notification bell and make sure you share this video with your loved ones and friends that are also struggling to make money trading forex market. So that is it guys, signing out. Only test. Peace.